Hey viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can design a funnel for consultation business. If you are a lawyer, if you are a doctor, any fitness coach or any trainer, so you need a funnel for your consultation business. So right now I have designed an amazing consultation funnels for one of my client, and I will show you how you can design itself for your business. And here you can see there is a lot of auto animations. So I will show you a few of them so you will get idea how these things are animated and how funnel is designed in a high level. I will guide you step by step how you can design it and how you can implement your business on it. This is a form not attached. We will attach form as well, and we will make some automation as well. So first of all, what we can do, what we need to do, I just go to simply go high level on a backend, and here you can see we are just wide level go high level, and simply I just go to the site section, and inside I can go to the funnel area. In funnel area, I need to just go to create here new funnels, and you need to start from scratch, or there is thousands of templates. You can choose template as well to how you can create from scratch. I just go to scratch and I will just write the funnel name, but before that I'm thinking I can make it things clean. So I will say that the funnel test, I just make folder, and in folder we'll make our consultation funnel. Here we have funnel test, and in it we will create funnel. Just go from blank, and I will say trainer funnel. Just simply create. It will take few seconds, and after that you're able to see here, and I will add step here, but I cannot import from anywhere. So what we can do, we will just add new step, and we will say that opt-in page. We cannot create any path here, and simply go to here, and here you can see it says you have existing page or create from blank. So we can create from blank. I just simply click on it, create from blank. It will take few seconds, and you will put into here, and here we have a blank sections, and here you can see we have some white area where we can design our funnel. So first of all, we will take section, a row, and after that we will take a row, and then we will take columns, and then we will define our height and width and everything. So right now we have already section here, so we will add column here. So I just go here and I will see what is going on here. So I will say that here is a menu bar, and where we have logo, some items and buttons, and call to actions button here as well. So what we need to do to take here, I will take 4 column, and in 4 columns, so first of all in this first column we will add image, and image you can see that logo, we can put logo here, and then we will add menu navigator here where we can design our menu. I just make this small and put aside, and yes, here we can put, and then and here we can add button, and on button we will put our logos and everything here. So here is the few things or few editing we need to change here. We don't need business name because we are going to use logo, and also we don't need logo in menu. We need just this one, and we can just put logo here, and I will just take dummy logo, anything dummy here. Yes, I just put this logo, and we have this. And right now I just select this button, and we can make height, width and size, font width to sections, and everything we can set here for button, and size, typography, subheadings and everything we can set here. Like we will put is 300, and we can change colors and everything we can change here. And here we can take another section as well where we can put our other things. So that's how, first of all, we can take section, then we can take column, and in column we will take elements. So here we can add the different elements and different columns. So let me go back here, and that's the color. So what we can do here, I just go back on a section, and here we have color, and if you want to add gradients, so you can add gradients, but if you want to add a liner and some solid color, so you can add your solid color as well. So I just want to add gradients, and we can change colors here, whatever the colors you want, right? There is 100%, and we can change angles and things. And then here we can go and we can put a same color on a background, so the things work for you. And here you can, like, I just go to here and I get go to style. In style we had color as well, like this one. We have hover colors, and here is our hover background colors, background text, yeah, this one, and we can replace with this one and this one. Okay, and here we have background color white, so I can put and in it's look like that. At least it's up to you. It's a totally like it's like a game, so you can play with it, and you can design it according to your requirements. So button color is goes to, I just go to journal, and here we have an other color, so we will put this color, so we can just resize the button and add some icons according to your requirements. The size of button is very poppy, just I will say that click to win. Actually, we can just say that these colors and this colors, logos and everything is some basic things or setup here. So what you need to do, and you need to do the things of the next phase. So for example, this menu is done, and one more thing here, you can see it's a left, so you can just go to style and make your alignment on a left side here. Okay, and this menu, and I just go here, it's a right side, so what we can do, we can put a right side. Yes, this menu we can select and put. Okay, it's selecting this one, but we need this one whole selection, and we need to put it right side. So that's how you can put alignments on a right side, all these menus things. And now here you have button, and button you can also put on a left side, so you can change it according to your requirements. It's a game type, so you can change it or made it according to your design. And after that, what we can do, we need a section where we can put these images and these text. So I just say that I just go here, and I will take the section here where it's a green button. I will say that 1 column, 2 column, and but first of all I just go to the section, and here we have full width section. I will just drag this section, and in section we will take like first of all we need to change the color of section. Background color is this one, and we will add columns like 4 columns, not 4 column, it's a 2 column image text, and we can add more text on the bottom. So we don't need 4 columns, we need 2 columns. We will add text here like headings, and then put another, and we will say that subheadings, and we can put on this column, not here. Okay, and here what we can add, we can add image. So I can add image here, that should be a person image. We can utilize it for animated things. Like I just go here and go to images area, and like I would say I will use this image. No, this is not looks good. Just go back and I will use another image. Maybe this one. Yeah, it's this one, but it's with background, so we need to remove background, then it looks good. Otherwise it's not looks good. And I just say that we can put this color and this color. No, this one, maybe light one, so that looks a bit blurry. So the main thing is that concept. You need to understand concept. Here is a concept, and if you want to add animations on image, here we have image and image animations, like that's how. Here you can see that's how these are images and these are changing. So you can, that's how you can put animations here. And here we have text. When we have heading 1, heading 2, and then we had button here. So what we can do here, I just simply go and I will add button. I know it's not same exact that what we have, but it's a basically concept where you can get idea how we can implement these things. Okay, another thing is that I just go on the January page and I just show you here. So here we had live page where we have all things here. Here you can see we have logos and menu, and here we have button, and here we have some text, and all other things are here. So it's a super easy. You can simply drag and drop, and here we have service area and other things. And here you can see that's an image, and here you can put content, and simply you can select it and you can change the colors. So for example, you can select this and you can make it red one, so you can make red one. So that's how you can implement colors and list and everything on it. And these, well, you can design one section and you can duplicate on all the other section. And same here, things goes, and same here. And that's all just drag and drop. You need to just need to do some focus, and after that you're able to do this landing page. And here is all things are just GoHighLevel drop and drop builder. So if you need this landing page for your consultation business, this landing page, so it's a super easy. You can book free consultations from leadsflex.com. And but if you want to buy this funnel from me, just go to funnelflex.io, and here we have a lot of other templates as well where you can get these funnels only $99, and I will provide you free support and everything until your funnel is not live. And by the way, if you can watch this video and go with my video, then I will give you automations free. And here if you need any GoHighLevel other services or anything you want in a GoHighLevel, here you can see we have some amazing reviews and everything here. You can just book free consultation here. Thank you so much for watching this video.